Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a small experiment. We're going to be adding vinegar to some rusty bolts to see if it cleans the rust off. So let's get into the components and then we get going. Alright, so here's going to be our setup. I got these cheap little containers here from the dollar store. Got a nice wire brush set and a bottle of distilled vinegar. Supposedly you just add the vinegar straight to it, let it sit for 12 hours, and all the rust will magically come off. And we'll just scrub it clean and see how they really come. So these are going to be the bolts here. We got 4 of them. They're the ones that came off the rear bumper. So we're going to try to soak these up and those guys over there and see how they go. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, so I got my assistant here holding the camera and this is it. We're just going to completely submerge them in the vinegar. That smells great, huh bud?
Yep.
Kind of like some salt and vinegar chips.
Yep.
Alright, and we're just going to let the initial bubbling that you see there is just air, not anything to do with a reaction. Let's put the cover on this. Alright. Oh, one of the washers fell. But that's alright. So we'll come back in like 12-ish hours and see how that goes. So it's been, I don't know, 24-ish hours later. Let's just take a look at the results here. Certainly nowhere near as much rust as in other YouTube videos. But let's see here. Just take a look. Well, the threads themselves look pretty good. Well, maybe this does work. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. Rust is coming right off. Let's get a brush and see how clean we can get these. Alright, make sure you get nice and close.
Okay. Now it's really close. Dang, your hands are dirty.
That's okay, buddy.
Well, good thing you found waterproof, right?
Yeah.
So if you switch strawberry, then just go boom. Well, how did you get it?
Now these threads are coming pretty clean. Just going through anywhere there's big chunks of rust, trying to go back and forth here. After a little bit of scrubbing with the wire brush, these are actually coming pretty darn clean. So yeah, it looks like vinegar actually does work at removing rust. Alright, so that definitely is more the color I was anticipating. So what we're going to do is, because they're not completely clean, but surprisingly very clean, we took them out of there, scrubbed all the rust off that we could, and we're going to be putting them in here. And if my assistant could pour the vinegar on top.
Froggy.
Yes, honey, get a frog. Alright, let's pour the vinegar on top, bud.
Wait, that's vinegar? Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, I just saw some rust fall.
Yeah, there's going to be a little bit. Keep going, bud. You got to submerge the whole thing. Alright, that's good right there. Stop. Alright, so we'll cap this up and we'll let it sit for another day. I left this in here because I figured the heat from the sun would definitely help. And I mean, look at this. This is just disgusting. All kinds of stuff floating off. And this is the stuff that was already cleaned. Alright, let me set this down here. Let's go get some water to rinse these off and we'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna open this up. Oh god, that is nasty. Gross.
Looks like baby pee.
It does look like puke. That is so gross. Let's take this stick, see if we can wipe some of this away. I'll throw it into this I'm gonna use that as a trash bag. That's all just rust.
Ew. After you just forget to wash that, Daddy. It's disgusting.
Wish I had a spoon, that'd probably be better. Alright, I guess it is what it is. So I'm gonna stick my fingers in there, and I'm gonna try to rinse it off. I'm not gonna put it in there, but just after rinsing it off, we're gonna put it in oil. So let's see what we got here. Ew, gross, gross, gross. Look at that. Came out perfectly clean. Actually, this looks like I don't know. Just a little rub with the fingers, and everything's just coming right off.
Wow.
Good as new.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, Daddy.
Alright. I'm not even gonna bother taking a brush to these. It's weird, they're all turning black.
Because both supposed to be black?
I don't know, it must be a reaction to the vinegar. That's very weird.
See? These are look like the rust ones. Those look like the
Exactly,
clean
yes.
ones.
This is how they started off, all rusty.
And
now
then it
this
gets
is
better
all
like
nice
this,
and
and then
clean.
it gets that one. So it goes like this.
So this is a huge difference over the other ones.
Yeah, and Daddy. So here's very rusted. Not that rusted. Super clean. So that's all rust in that bag?
Yeah, this whole thing is just rust, which is metal that's turning into dust.
Are you going to put this on YouTube channel, Dad?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, so just now it still has some chunks to it, but you know what? That huge flake just came right off. It's not too bad considering. So this is an interesting experiment. So, you know, vinegar does take care of it. You know what? I don't even smell vinegar anymore. I think the vinegar itself has, let's get this a little cleaner here. Vinegar itself has combined with the rust. All that's left is just this rusty water. So you got 4 bolts, 4 washers. That's good for now. I'm going to try to rinse my disgusting hand off, so hold on to that, bud. One side, there you go.
He's pouring out water.
Alright, and as you can see, there's just a little bit of rust on that one, but I'm honestly probably not going to be reusing these, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to try to save them just in case.
I really need them.
Alright, look out, bud. I'm going to get rid of this rust. We're just going to... Oh, nasty. Look at all those chunks that's stuck to the side.
Can I pour it in again?
Alright, let's see. No, I'll do it, bud. I'll do it. That's just pure water. Put this back on.
Wait for another day.
Shake it up. Try to clean as much of this out as possible. Look at that, it's stuck right to the lid. So yeah, this was supposed to be another 12 hours, and instead it was probably like 4 days because we forgot. Yeah.
That looks good.
Alright, that's good. This is all good thrown away anyway, so now we can just take our bolts that are rinsed off. Like I said, I could brush them, get them sparkly clean, but that's good enough. Yeah, let's just dunk them right into the extra oil that we have. A little bar and chain 30 weight oil. Just want to coat them really good so that way they don't rust up.
From the outside?
Yeah, because they were sitting in water, so they're sort of rusting, but then the vinegar in it was eating the rust it was making. So hopefully that's good.
Now.
Alright.
Stop, Dad.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do, just stack these up right here. Just let them soak up the oil.
There's 2 more.
There we go. Alright, I'm gonna go wash my hands, and I say that is definitely a success. Those are a heck of a lot cleaner than the start of these things.
And then the rest things. And then this fish are clean.
Alright guys, so that was actually a lot more surprising than I thought it was going to be. It actually got all bubbly and the rust there, it got all bubbly and rusted. The water was like that after the first day, and I just completely forgot to film taking it out and stuff, and just got caught up with the family stuff. But yeah, that was very surprising. So this has been a fun experiment. Probably not going to use those. Actually, I probably could, because on the bumper I'm going to put it on, I'm not going to be towing with, so it's just going to be for protection, and those will do. So it's one way to get rid of some rust on some bolts, and if you guys want to take a look at the link below, I've now got some Amazon links, so if you guys could buy some stuff through there, that'd be great. You know, help me out a little bit, and can continue some projects. So, all right, guys, I will see you later, and check out my new website. Bye.